DJNTV.
Court refused federal government request to dismiss Igboho's lawsuit, plus APC denies zoning president to the South region as APC considers Christian presidential candidate for 2023 election. Hi guys, good morning to you, good afternoon to you, and good evening to you, depending on the location you're watching us from. A very big welcome to you. This is DJ MTV Daily News Update, your WhatsApp channel where you get the latest and the best news all around the world. If this is your first time of seeing any of our video, do subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to get notified each time we post a new video. Let's go straight up into the main news. The High Court in Ibadan, Oyo State, yesterday rejected a request by the Attorney General of the Federation (AGF) Abubakar Malami San to stop hearing a suit instituted against the federal government by the Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho. Adeyemo had filed the lawsuit challenging the invasion of his Ibadan residence on July 1 by operative of the Department of State Service (DSS), a federal government agency. In Abuja, the Federal High Court clarifies that a judge was on the ground to sign an August 4 bail warrant of the 8th, an associate of the agitator, by Justice Obiora Igboho. It blamed their counsel for failing to approach Justice A.R. Mohammed, who alternates as a vacation judge for the release of the detainees. The Attorney General of the Federation, Malami Abubakar, had in his motion on notice raised a preliminary objection against Adeyemo's lawsuit. He argued that the Oyo State High Command lacks the jurisdiction to entertain such matter. The Attorney General of the Federation was represented in the court yesterday by a team of 10 lawyers led by Abdullahi Abubakar. On the team were Adekola Olowaye San and Oladipo Olosokpo San. Malami asked for a time extension to enable him to file further processes in opposition to Igboho's application, but the motion was opposed by Igboho's counsel led by Chief Yomi Aliyu San because time is of the essence. Aliyu argued that the law stipulates that replies shall be given within 5 days, stressing that Malami has nowhere to hide because the case is about fundamental human rights. He also pointed out that by filing the motion on notice, Malami had cancelled for the discretion of the court. He therefore urged Justice Ladira Akintola to exercise discretion instead of granting Malami's application. Counsel for the second and third respondent, the DSS and the Director of DSS in Oyo State, T.A. Nodridi, did not oppose the application. Justice Akintola allowed Malami's lawyer to move his application but awarded 50,000 naira cost against the Attorney General after he had listened to both parties. He adjourned the hearing to August 30th, 2021. Malami, the Attorney General of the Federation, had in his preliminary objection argued that the claim of unlawful killing of Igboho's aide cannot be brought under fundamental human rights enforcement procedure. He also argued that claims of damages and unlawful invasion cannot be resolved by any way of affidavit evidence without calling witnesses, amongst others. Sunday Igboho is among others seeking an order of the court to declare the invasion of his residence by the DSS operative as illegal and infringement on his fundamental human rights. He wants the same order for his detainees, aides, and associates. In Abuja, the Federal High Court further report that Justice Igboho avoided signing the release warrants of the detained Igboho's aides. In a statement on Tuesday, the court faulted the detainees' counsel for failing to approach the available vacation judge On learning that Justice Igboho was not immediately available, the statement reads thus: the attention of the Federal High Court Abuja has been drawn to two newspaper publications dated August 17, 2021, captioned "Judge Travel Abroad as Igboho's aid meets all bail condition" and "Nigerian Federal Judge Disappear as soon as bail is perfected for 12 detained Igboho's associates." We wish to state that the publications are incorrect and misleading. Contrary to the claims of the publication, the trial judge is out of the country on a national assignment, and there is a vacation judge in the person of Justice A.R. Mohammed, who alternates as a vacation judge with him to attend to such matters. It should be stated that Justice Mohammed has been on ground attending to matters at the court, but lawyers to the applicant unfortunately did not take the bail bond for the judge to sign. Recall that the 48-year-old Sunday Igboho, who narrowly escaped the bloody invasion of his home, was declared wanted for allegedly stockpiling arms to destabilize Nigeria under the pretext of Yoruba Nation. He was arrested in Cotonou, Benin Republic, after going on the ground for 19 days. He is currently facing trial in a neighboring country for illegal entry. Meanwhile, the caretaker chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC), the governor of Yobe State, Malabuni, had refluted media reports that the party has zoned the presidency to the southern part of Nigeria ahead of the general election to be held in 2023. Buni stated yesterday that there was no iota of truth in the speculation, making the rounds in a section of the media. The report in an online medium indicated that the Buni-led caretaker committee had zoned the president to the south part of this country, vice president to the north, senate president south, and deputy senate president north. Also include House of Representative, speaker north, and deputy speaker to the south. He said this is absolutely false. Where was it done and at what occasion? This is a mere fabrication of the writer's imagination. It is completely misleading. Meanwhile, in other news, it was gathered that the leadership of the ruling party, All Progressive Congress, is plotting to feed a Christian as its candidate to succeed President Muhammadu Buhari, and in a bid to ensure cohesion, the All Progressive Congress is considering giving its ticket to a Southern Christian. However, this has not gone down well with loyalists of the national leader of the All Progressive Congress, Bola Tinubu, who is a Muslim. According to newsmen, Tinubu loyalists has insisted that religion should not be a criterion for picking the APC candidates. A source in the APC revealed that the party believes the zoning agreement between the north and south must be honored to foster unity and togetherness. That position is very true. There is a strong belief in the All Progressive Congress now that the next presidential candidate must be from the south. We cannot afford to gamble with another northerner after President Buhari has served for 8 years. However, there are also others who are of the view that if the candidate must come from the south, the person must be a Christian, the source said. This is how it has always been since 1999. Obasanjo a Christian and Atiku Abubakar a Muslim ruled from 1999 to 2007. The late Umaru Yar'Adua, a Muslim from the northern part of the country, became president in 2007, and Goodluck Jonathan, a Christian from the south, was the vice president. And when Yar'Adua died, Jonathan became president, and it shows Nnamdi Sambo, a Muslim from the north, who was former governor of Kaduna State, as his vice. When President Buhari became APC presidential candidate in 2014, he almost settled for Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, a Muslim from the south. But even within the APC, there was an uproar against a Muslim ticket, and they had to settle for Professor Yemi Osibanjo, a Christian. So I don't think this situation will change in 2023. There are some people who are already grumbling that another Muslim will take over from President Muhammadu Buhari in 2023. Even if the ticket is zoned to the south, these are issues we are considering, and it is important it is given utmost attention, because or indices matters in politics, especially from a country like Nigeria. So guys, here we have it. We have seen that the High Court in Ibadan, Oyo State, has fined Malami the sum of 50,000 naira over a lawsuit that was filed by Sunday Igboho against the DSS raiding his apartment. According to the lawsuit, Sunday Igboho said that is a breach of his fundamental human rights. Although Malami has said that the court lacks the jurisdiction to carry on with such case, but his objection has been ruled out by the judge of the High Court in Ibadan. Again, we saw the APC led Buni coming out to debunk the news on the media that is saying that the APC has zoned the presidency to the southern part of this country. He asked where and when that meeting was converged that it was zoned to the south. Now the APC never had such meeting, not to talk about making such statement of zoning the presidency to the south. Also, we saw some part of the APC coming out to say that the APC next president should be a Christian who will come from the south. They gave example of how it has always been. Obasanjo coming out with Atiku, a southerner and a northerner, and also Yar'Adua, a northerner, coming out with Goodluck Jonathan, who is also from the south and a Christian. And also, therefore, when Goodluck Jonathan took over, he was a Christian and he took a vice president who is from the north and a Muslim. Therefore, it must continue that way. After President Buhari, who is a Muslim, and Vice President Yemi Osinbajo, who is a Christian, it will be the turn of a Christian from the south to become the president and a Muslim from the north to be his vice president. So guys, here we have it. What do you think about this APC ideology? Do you think that it will still work in the People's Democratic Party of having a southern president and a northern vice president? Please drop your comment in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and comment on all our videos. Do follow us on all our social media platforms. Like us on Facebook, subscribe on our YouTube, and also turn on notification bell. Do check us out on our website www.djmtv.news. Don't forget, until we come your way next time, this is DJ MTV Daily News Update. Thank you for watching till the end.
Yeah.
DJ MTV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJ MTV.
DJ MTV. DJ MTV. DJ MTV. DJ MTV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ MTV. DJ MTV. DJ MTV. DJ MTV.